Hey there, here is your math recap for Thursday, October 8th. So our learning target today is to understand using the area model to multiply double-digit numbers. So the only difference between what we've been doing in the past is there are a double-digit number on the side, not just the top. So we have a little bit more going on, but it should be pretty familiar. The first thing we did was compare this picture to this area model. So pause the video for a moment and just really compare this side to this side and see what is alike. What do you notice? What's the same? What's the difference? And I'm sure by now you have very carefully paused and stared at this thing and found all sorts of connections. Here's the sort of things that we noticed in class. So all the numbers along this outside edge match up over here. There's a 20 and a 3. There's a 20 and a 3. There's a 10 and a 2. There's a 10 and a 2. This whole thing is 12 times 23. We say 12 times 23. 10 times 20 was 200. 10 times 20 is 200. This box is 200 red squares. 200. This yellow box is 3 wide and 10 tall. 10 times 3 is 30. The blue box is 2 rows of 20, which makes 40. So the blue is 40. And the last little green box, 2 rows of 3 is 6. Then here, this shows that adding it all up, 200 plus 30 plus 40 plus 6, we've got 200 plus 30 plus 40 plus 6, it all equals 276. So these are exactly the same, except one is in an area model chart and one is the actual big array, but everything else is exactly the same. In the assignment, you have another one. Let's see, I'm going to move my face right to the middle. No, the middle. Doesn't want to be in the middle, sorry. Okay, all the question marks should be replaced with numbers. And if you're stuck, look at that diagram over here on the left. So again, 24 times 15, 24 times 15. If you notice 20 and 4, 20 and 4, 10 and 5, what goes here? Well, it's, whoops, go back. Oh, you know what? I'm presenting. I have to stop presenting. Let me go back. There we go. Sorry, I had to make it smaller to make this work. So you open that up. If you double click, it'll select, and you put 10, because the 10 matches the 10. Guess what goes here? 5. So every number matches. All you have to do is look over here to see what goes here. How did we get this in here? What happened? What got multiplied for this red one? You can have a hint down here. You can also look at the sides. 20 times 10, 20 times 10. So you just fill in all these boxes. Unfill those. Okay, and on the last one, more are missing, but still everything you need is in the visual on the side. Use that visual. Okay, this is this. These two numbers are these two numbers. These two numbers are these two numbers. All you have to do is look carefully over here at the visual, the array, to match up with your area model here on the side. The last thing about this is there is no turn-in button here. You have to go back to Classroom, click View Assignment, and turn it in there. Okay, as long as you go to Classroom, there's still the turn-in button, but you can't click it right up here like you can on a Google Doc. The reason is this is a slideshow. Okay, thank you, and make sure pause this video, go back, rewatch if you're stuck, and then give us a call. We would love to hear from you, and we will help you out. Okay, bye.